Back to the stupid cheese in the village. And I didn't sleep hardly myself. And this morning I didn't even hear the alarm. At Oshkosh, he wasn't happy with it.
Welcome to Istanbul Airport, meeting point of the world. We hope that you had a pleasant flight. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off, and do not open the overhead bins. You may use your electronic devices. Please be careful while opening the overhead bins when the aircraft reaches its final parking position. Thank you for flying.